Carter's VHS Corner presents.
Boomerang broke its ground at season 14. Here we go. Boom.
Season 14, Episode 9. Boomerang Bro flips Microsoft Sam the Bird and gets sent to Spain. And guys, I just want to say that this is the last Boomerang Bro Gets Grounded Season 14 episode. The next episode will be the premiere of Season 15. But anyways, enjoy the show.
Hey Curve Bro, I heard that Microsoft Sam got Taco Bell at his house. Can I visit him for tacos?
No, Boomerang Bro. You're still grounded.
How? That isn't fair that Sam has tacos and we don't.
Because you tried to stab Dave Madden last week.
Ugh, come on, you never let me out of the house for the tacos.
That's because you won't stop doing bad things.
Stop doing bad things?
Definitely the solution.
That's not what I said, fatso. I'm going up to my room right now, and I'm going to sneak out to get the tacos.
Did he just call Fatso for the 50th time? That does it. He's not going to like it when he gets back home. He's going to be experiencing some real pain when he shows up to my house.
Hey, this is Microsoft Sam's house. Wait a minute, he's not here. Oh well, time for me to eat the taco after Microsoft Sam met the rest. Yummy.
Excuse me?
Yes Microsoft Sam?
Did you just eat my taco? I was going to eat it from Taco Bell.
It ran away.
No, it didn't. I saw you eating it. Now tell me the truth.
No way. You.
Tantrum in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, dang, crumbly, Boomerang Barrel, I can't believe you just gave me a stupid middle finger and flipped me the bird. I'm going to call Kurt Barrel right now and hope you get sent to Spain for this you but wipe.
I've gotta go.
Yeah, you better go back to your house.
Hello, Curve Bro?
Did you forget the fact that you called me Fatso 50 times in a row?
What?
25 more times, and you won't like what I'm about to do. Now here's something.
Why in the bloody world did you do that for?
I spanked you with a bat because you calling Fatso for the 50th time. I also have something else you are not going to like. Come inside for a few.
Jeez, you're seriously going to regret this one day.
Boomerang Bro, how dare you? How dare you go into Sam's house while grounded? And how dare you steal his ticker, make up lies, and then flip him the bird? What you did is not a joke. That's it. You're grounded. You're grounded for 1, 9, 2, 3, 8, 7, 8, 9, 5, 1, 2, 8, 9, 4, 7, 2, 8, 3, 4, 9. Decades. And as a punishment for flipping Sam the bird, I'm sending you to Spain.
No, not Spain. Anything but Spain.
Too bad. You are going to Spain and that's final. Now get in the car.
welcome to the airport. How may I help you?
I would like one ticket for Boomerang Bro to Barcelona, Spain, please.
Okay, your flight is at gate 34.
And this is for you, Boomerang Bro. You're going to Spain, because you flicked Microsoft Sam the bird after eating his tecker and lying. And don't you even dare think about escaping from Spain, or else you're gonna be grounded even more. So, goodbye again.
Oh man, this sucks. I can't believe I have to go to Spain for what I have done. Can this day get any worse?
Flight 1704 to Barcelona, Spain is now boarding at gate 34.
Welcome aboard Flight 1704 to Barcelona, Spain, in Europe. Enjoy your flight. We have now arrived at Barcelona, Spain, in Europe. Thank you for traveling with Rapper Iberia Air. We hope you enjoy your flight. Have a nice day.
Why did I get sent to Spain?
Welcome to Barcelona, Spain. This service is working for 30 minutes for unloading passengers. There will be no parking.
Oh no. No, we am speaking Spanish, which is the language in Spain. Can my life get any worse than this? Wah.
What 9 bad things will Boomerang Bro do next? Find out in Season 15.